Have you heard of the Graph Maker? Hi, I'm Hadas and welcome to Tip Talk. In this episode, I'd like to introduce to you 2 different ways you can add graphs, pies, charts, diagrams to your design. Let's go ahead. In this episode, I'd like to show you 2 ways to add graphs to your design. Well, the first most obvious one, which you probably already know about, is to go to the black menu on the left and search for the Charts tab. If you don't see the Charts tab, you will always find it under More. Just click on these 3 dots, More, and then you'll find the charts here. So you can pick your chart, whichever kind you like, and then start editing it in your design. You can edit it from here, you can edit the numbers, you can edit the colors, the fonts, the size, everything. But there's another option that I think that is less popular, and I really like to introduce it to you. Let's open a new tab and type in canva.com/graphs. Welcome to the Graph Maker. Let's see how easy, fun, and intuitive this is. For starters, let's create our custom chart. We'll start with our document title. So let's say I'm going to name this 2020 Insights. Quite general, but let's see what happens. I'm going to click on Create My Graph Now. And now Canva will ask me 2 questions. Do I know what graph I need? Then I will click on this one. Or do I want Canva to help me choose a graph type? If I click on Help Me Choose a Graph, Canva will give me a few suggestions of what Canva thinks I should be using. But let's see the other option. If I know what graph I need and I click on this option, then you get so many more options of different graphs, mind maps, bubble maps, SWOTs, echo maps, donut charts, you name it. So let's say I will go with a flowchart. Once I click on that, I can choose a flowchart template. So let's say, for instance, I would like to choose this one. Once I click on that, I will automatically be redirected to my editing page. So now all you have to do is add your data or information, then add some icons, illustrations, photos, stickers, change the colors, the fonts, the background, download, print or share, and that's it. That's it. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.
Wow, thank you Hadas for these precious tips, and thank you for watching this video until the end. I have 2 playlists right here for those of you who want to go a bit deeper and keep learning. This one right here is a collection of step-by-step Canva tutorials, and this one gathers all of our Canva Space webinar recordings where Canva experts teach about all sorts of topics.